Hi everyone and welcome to tonight's shorting session. Tomorrow shorting session. Um, I did a live stream yesterday. The reason behind this is the internet. There was an issue with the internet. Let's just jump to the chart. At 9:30 we swept this low and created an SMT at the bottom. And I was trying to long this, but it just rallied up without any retracement. So I did not take any trade here. And then just right here, I was trying to do two shorts, but I didn't did any one of them. Okay, so we took buy side, okay, and we had this 1 hour fair value gap. This is 1 hour fair value gap, right? In here, this is 1 hour fair value gap, right? So back to the 1 minute. So I tried to short this, but it gave me the market sector shift on the 15-second. Shoot to the 15-second. So I have 15-second market sector shift in here, and but I didn't short it. The reason behind this is I was waiting for this to get swapped and waiting for this SMT. We did have an SMT from here, or from here. We did have an SMT from here, right here, but it just not enable a setup. So I'll let the market do its things. I keep waiting, and it just stopped out, but I wasn't in. So in here I waiting for market sector shift. I didn't have it, so I didn't took it. So I keep waiting until we took this buy side. Okay, took this 1 hour high. This we took this. Okay, which side that? We took this. Okay, when we are inside of 1 hour pivot gap. I was looking at these highs, but if we just give me my model on the lower time frame, I will short it. I don't mind losing on this because it just enables for me. I don't care if I will get stopped. So I keep waiting, and I was on the 15-second actually. So I keep waiting. Well, we have an SMT, so we have an SMT from here, from this low, right? With ES, we have SMT from this high, and we have SMT from this high, right? So if I want to take a low hanging fruit, I will target this low or this low, one of them, because we have an SMT here. So this SMT have a relationship to this low, and we inside of a 1 hour CB, negative value gap, and we have a hard time frame SMT, right? I don't care if you will say we have the CISD in here, so the 15 minute. Some say we have the CISD in here, we have a Schengen the state of delivery, okay? And we took some sell side and we have SMT at the low. Yes, I know that. And we have eco highs, so it's a clean long. I know, but I don't care. This is just my edge. I have an edge, okay? I'm done. I have rules. I follow the rules. I'm done. Skip to the 15-second. So I keep waiting. Finally, I have my market sector shift, and I entered here. Okay. I put my stop in here. With execution is exit. I don't know how to tie this. Okay. So I short this just right here. My target, I draw the standard deviations. So I was looking for this low. This is where I bought my TB the first time. Then when it's there, I just say I should put my TB at least in here, and this was 2.8 hours. Okay, but we have 1 minute value given here, right? To be honest, I become a little bit emotional. So I said if we inverse this, I can hold my position to here. This is like 5 hours. This will be the one of the biggest trade I may took in terms of risk to reward ratio. So just waiting. My TB was here, and I keep waiting to inverge it, and we inverge. So this becoming an inversion value gap. Okay. After it become inversion value gap, look, this one may just hit it and immediately rebalance. Okay, and again and touch it again. So I said, okay, my TV is gonna be here. This is easy to get hit. And I was watching on the 15 second, and to be honest, I became a little bit emotional. I let the emotion to enter. Why? Because I was thinking about how much I will make if the price hit this. I'll able to make like around 500. So because I think about money, I become emotional, and because I become emotional, I just what I was doing is when it came back here, I moved my TV here and said no here, and then here, and then I just in the end I think yeah, and then I just put it here, and I said I don't care about how much I will make if it hit this low. All what I care about is to take what I'm confident with, and what I'm confident with this low. Okay, so because we inverted this, I was confident with this swept. So this is why I didn't close my trade here, and I just and at that time my stop loss was right here. Was my stop loss. Okay, you have to move your stop because like if I can't partial it, I wouldn't do it, because the risk I took in here, I took the regulated risk I take usually. But if I took my risk, my usual risk, with half half of my usual risk, I may could took that half here. Okay, and actually if I did this, I wouldn't close the trade here. I will there run at least to here, at least, or maybe equilibrium. Okay, but I didn't did it. The reason behind this is why I did not took more, because it just look, this is the 15 second. Okay, and I have to be fast. So I was watching on the 1 minute. So when I swept to the 15 second, the market was just around here. So I just took the trade very fast, and I really wasn't thinking about adding more to the position, and it just speed up. If it moved like that, and give me an imbalance around here, and just retrace and respect it and start to reverse, I may took more skill in the position, but it didn't happen. So this is my thought process, because I wasn't live streaming, so I wanted to know how I was thinking about. So I just move my stop here and my TB here, and I just step away, and TB hit in here, and just eventually keep going lower, 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 and go to the equilibrium mark in the end. Okay, I guess TB here. So this is around 3 and 3.8 risk reward ratio, very great trade. Let me show you the execution on trade locker. So I search, but I don't really know how to show the execution on trade locker. How about you just try to come on, baby. This is trade locker. Okay. Well, now. So I found out that I can show it to you in here. This is it. This is 11/4, and it take profit. The site was sell, and the enterprise is 2011/6. So this is 2011/6, as we can see on the right of the screen. There is the enterprise 2011/6 here, and the exit is 2075. Let me show you the exit. There's exit price 20075 here, 20075 200, say 275, 360 bucks. So the initial the balance right now is 10,021 bucks. The reason that I'm not in profit is these few losses, unnecessary losses actually. Not all of them, but most of them. I took my lessons from these losses. I don't let them get away with it. Let me change the time. New York time. This is 11:15, and yeah, great setup, great risk. Everything's great in this. So today I'm gonna do the live stream. So be there and be safe.